Yo, check out this bad boy. Today's adventure is I'm gonna check out my new bike that I bought. This thing's a beast. So let's go put some miles on her. I wanted to try this fat tire bike out on the beach. The sand's way too thick. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just wearing myself out. All right, let's get off this bitch. It's nice though. Back at the cabin, put in 20 miles. Now, it is an electric bike. You still got to put a lot of work in it. I mean, it's just like doing squats with a Smith machine. It's going to help, but you still got to put in the work. So I'm pretty happy with this thing. Actually, I really love it. Plan on doing a lot of miles with this bike. Catch you later.